Mike, help me quickly.
What happened?
My dad fell down. He hurt his leg.
Can he walk?
No, he cannot stand up.
We need to call ambulance.
Yes, please call now.
Hello? We need help. My dad hurt his leg badly.
Where are you? We are at the park on Oak Street.
Stay there. Help is coming.
Thank you. How long will it take?
5 minutes. Keep him still.
Lisa, don't move your dad.
Okay, is help coming?
Yes, very soon.
I'm scared.
Don't worry. They will help him.
I hear the ambulance.
Yes, they're here now.
Thank you. Hello, I need help.
Good morning. What's wrong?
My throat hurts.
I see. Do you have fever?
No fever, just my throat.
Here is throat medicine. Take this twice a day.
How many days?
For 5 days.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, after eating is better.
Do you have throat drops?
Yes, these drops are good. Use them when your throat hurts.
How much for everything?
$20, please.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Drink warm water, too.
I will. Thank you.
Feel better soon. Goodbye. Good evening. Welcome.
Hello, can I sit here?
Yes, of course. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
What would you like to drink?
Can I have lemonade, please?
Sure. Are you ready to order food?
Yes, I want a burger, please.
Would you like fries or salad with it?
Fries, please.
Anything else?
Do you have soup today?
Yes, we have tomato soup.
Good. I will have soup first.
So 1 soup and 1 burger with fries.
Yes, that's right.
Would you like dessert?
What dessert do you have?
We have apple pie and ice cream.
I will have apple pie later.
Very good. Your food will come soon.
Thank you very much.
Hello? You look worried. Can I help?
Yes, please. I lost my daughter.
Don't worry. We will find her. How old is she?
She is 5 years old.
What is her name?
Her name is Mia.
What does she look like?
She has long black hair. She wears a red dress.
Does she have a toy with her?
Yes, a small blue teddy bear.
When did you last see her?
10 minutes ago, near the toy store.
Okay, I will call all security guards now.
Please hurry, I'm so scared.
Stay calm. Children usually stay near toys or candy.
Should I look for her?
No, wait here. She might come back.
Okay, I will wait.
Good news, we found her. She is at the information desk.
Thank God. Where is she?
Follow me. She is safe.
Mia, I was so worried.
She was looking at the fish tank.
Thank you so much for helping us.
You're welcome. Hold her hand next time.